Greetings for the day. Welcome to OM Institute. If you are new here, I am Surendra Reddy, Faculty for Electrical Machines at OM Institute. I have a great news for electrical and ECE students who are serious about upcoming GATE 22 examination. As you know, most of the country is already vaccinated and Hyderabad city is almost fully vaccinated. Keeping this in mind, government is all set to reopen educational institutes across the country. In this regard, OM Institute is coming up with much needed GATE 22 classroom course starting from September 2nd, 2021. But keeping the time frame in mind, we are left with 5 months for the examination. So the best and most effective way to utilize this 5 months time is to learn the subject in 3 months, and the rest of the 2 months you can utilize for revision and mock tests, and this will be more than sufficient if you learn the subject in a right way. We are starting a unique GATE 2022 offline short-term program. So for which group of students this course is ideal for? This course is ideal for those students who passed out of their colleges this year or last year but could not appear for GATE examination because of delayed university semester examinations due to COVID. And this course is also useful for those students who appeared for GATE examination earlier but could not get a top rank. Then this course is a golden opportunity for them to revise all their subjects and fix all the weak areas to become super confident in their problem solving. Short-term course does not mean it as a crash course. This course is designed for 90 days. And there will be 7 to 8 hours of lectures every day in which all the topics will be discussed in a detailed manner and hundreds of problems will be solved during the lecture itself. So altogether, this course is about 700 plus hours of lectures. So it is not far from what we teach in regular long-term batch. In order to succeed in any competitive examination, there are 3 steps which are going to play main role in students' preparation. The first one is learning the subject, second one is practice, and third one is revision. And these 3 aspects are going to run parallelly in this short-term course. So let me explain how a particular day will be planned in this short-term program. So your day will start at 7 a.m. in the morning and the lectures will continue till 5 p.m. with regular intermediate breaks. So from 7 a.m. to 5 p.m. you will get 7 to 8 hours of lectures every day. And in these lectures, as I told earlier, all the topics are going to be discussed in a detailed manner and hundreds of problems are going to be solved in a particular course. Once the class is finished, we will give you exclusive study rooms. All the students are eligible to use the study rooms, and we will also hand over regular handouts, and handouts consist of number of practice questions. So you are requested to practice the problems of that particular day lecture, and faculty will be available in that practice session, so any doubts the student has, they can get cleared in the day itself. And after that practice session, maybe up to 7 p.m. or 7:30 p.m. the practice session will go. After that practice session, students will go back to their hostels and they must utilize the night time in order to revise their subject. So learning the subject, practicing the subject, and also revising the subject will go every day, so that you can finish this course by the end of November and you can utilize the remaining 2 months for revision and mock tests. This course is 100% result oriented and useful for those students who are aiming at top rank in GATE 2022 examination. And OM is the only institute having the faculty who will give more emphasis on conceptual understanding of the subject with extensive problem solving. All of our existing long-term GATE, AE and AW batches will resume soon for physical classes. So stay tuned, and for more updates visit our website www.ominstitute.com. Now let's check the quick summary of this session. OM Institute is announcing GATE 2022 offline short-term course from September 2nd, 2021. This course duration is for 90 days and having 700 plus hours of lectures. and there will be 7 to 8 hours of lectures every day along with regular practice session. And also OHM online test series will be free to access for the student, and this course is extremely result oriented and useful for all students who are preparing for GATE 2022 examination. Thanks a lot. All the very best.